Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very traumatizing for me. So I saw Daisy do the I tried following my first makeup tutorial and I thought it was such a good idea. I know I just did the Bretman Rock one, but after I saw her video I was like, I have to do this because if you guys have seen my first video, you guys know. You know. But yeah, this should be very interesting. I'm so scared. But before we get started with this video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and like. Oh, hey! Interrupting my intro? What's up, kid? Come here, honey. Hey. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, before we get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications if you guys want to see more videos like this. But yeah, if you guys want to see me trying to recreate my first ever YouTube video / tutorial, then keep on watching at your own will. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my goodness, I love you. Okay, so here's my channel. Let's go to videos and oldest. Sort by oldest. Okay, get ready with me. Neutrals plus mauves, Morphe 35K. Why did I put the palette I used in the title? It's so weird. Oh, the nose contour. I think that was cute. Okay, what the hell? Am I not talking in this video? Oh my god, I remember. Oh my god, okay, so I actually didn't like talk about this tutorial. What was I doing? Not even a voiceover, Tina. Really? Really, Tina? Okay, so. Oh, my eyebrows. That's not cute. Okay. Ew, in my skin. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, this thing is so old, but I'm using the Becca backlight priming filter. My hair color too. Holy crap. It's not a good look. Not a good look, tunes. Thank god I found bleach because oh, I look so greasy. I look so greasy. So now I'm mixing the Maybelline Better Skin Super Stay foundation, which I have. Oh my god, is this the same one? Look. It is. Ew. Okay. And then I also use the Naked Skin foundation from Urban Decay, but I don't have that anymore. So I remember I used to mix it with this foundation. This is the Cover FX Natural Finish Oil Foundation. Because it's not technically the same thing, because I know I gave that one away, but at least it's kind of still in the spirit of my old videos, because I used to always mix these together. What am I doing? I was literally holding the products up for a good minute. What the hell? Like, I really had to show me like blending it. Really? Who is texting me? Oh my god, and my acrylics, I really thought that was cute. By age, they just get longer and longer. Look at how short they were. Oh my god, I was such a baby. For some people, I feel like this wouldn't be as cringy, but like, since this was literally me. How old was I here? Like 14, 15. Wait, when was this? March 22nd, 2016. 2 years ago. Oh my god. Yeah, so I was literally 14 years old filming. So cringy. Where was I like looking? Damn, I used hella of this. Damn, girl. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you're so cute. But I'm kind of busy right now. But I'm reunited with this cat. If you guys have me on Snap, you've seen her. Oh, she just sneezed. Oh, babe. She's like covered in dust. She loves going like underneath. Okay, can I like grab my beauty blender, or are you gonna let me? You gonna let me? But yeah, it's my sister's friend's cat. We were watching her for a few days and she's back. Oh, she's purring, babe. Aww, look at you. I'm so weird around animals, you guys. Me and Daisy have that in common. We literally turn into like freaks when we're around animals or babies. Oh, she's gonna fuck up my makeup. What are you doing? Stop that. Where are you trying to go? Where are you trying to go, girl? Oh, you're so cute. I love you. Hey, hey. Hey, I love you. I was saying, she doesn't understand the concept of makeup. She's like, wow, you fake bitch. What was I wearing? Oh my god, I look like a fucking man. That's like not me. I don't claim her. But like I was saying, I feel like anyone would be so opposed to like reacting and showing like old footage of themselves while they were 14. I don't know why I'm doing this. Don't drag me, please. I'm grown. I'm a changed woman. Okay, so now I'm using Naked Skin by Urban Decay. I actually repurchased this a few months ago because I ran out of that and I got the wrong shade. I got medium light warm, so I'm gonna use this, but like Yeah. I'm gonna mix it with a light color. Put it on the sides of my nose. Okay, I don't even have to, wait. Okay, let me just mix the lighter shade because I'm using this to highlight around my nose. Ugh, what was that? Okay, I went like this. Like that. I went like this. Wow, that's a lot of concealer, Tina. Old habits never change. Blend that shit. Oh, what? Oh, I did that. Okay. So I did like a little dot and then like a line. Shut the fuck up. Okay, slow down. Oh my god, imagine how good it would have been if I like talked. That would have been real entertaining. For you, not for me. That would have been torture. Okay, Laura Mercier. Let me mute this because there's like no point even. So focused. Was I baking? I can't even tell if I was baking. I was like that pale that you couldn't even tell. I think I meant to bake. I think my intention was to bake. I went over it like a good 3 times. Okay, really, bitch? You're gonna move on to fucking eyeshadow? Are you kidding me? Also, I forgot to mention, but in spirit of like baby tuna and how I did my old videos, I decided to do my old background. I had this background for a good 6 months and I still had it, so I was like, why not? Let's be a little nostalgic. Bring back the old background. So I brought it back. I have the 35K still. I have like every Morphe palette that exists. Yeah, it's a very neutral palette. I did such a boring look for my first video. I remember I called this to get ready with me, but I strictly remember right after I filmed this, I took off my makeup and I went to sleep. Some things never change. So I'm going in with this color. I don't have that brush anymore, but I have something that's really similar. I remember I fucked with that brush heavy, but they discontinued it. Rest in peace. Just taking it up in the crease like so. Okay, what am I doing now? Oh, sorry, my broken nail. The curse is back, by the way. I was pointing at it for like a good 30 seconds. So she's deepening up her crease. Oh, you're going straight into the lip color. Okay. Okay, tunes. So I'm grabbing this color right here. Did I wet it? What did I do? Wow, Tina. I cannot believe. I know I wetted it, okay? I know I wetted it. So I'm gonna take a little Fix Plus. Oh my god, I was still using that brush that came with the Urban Decay Naked palettes. Oh, so young. So much to learn. Why does my lid space look bigger in this than it does now? I don't understand. Okay, did my eyelids like shrink over the years or what? I need an explanation right now. Okay, so now I'm going in with eyeliner. So I was going in with the NYC liquid liner and I don't have that anymore, but I have something that is literally exactly like it and it's also from the drugstore. So this is the NYX matte liquid liner. They're literally the same thing. Don't come for me, okay? Just give me a break. I remember my technique that I used to do. I used to literally just like round it out here because I thought I had like hooded eyes or something, but I didn't. I don't know what I was thinking, but I would literally like, okay, this is what I would do. I would take it and go like around. Like that. Like not at the end of my eye. Actually, I feel like this was a good tip because it makes your eyes look a lot bigger and a lot wider. I went for a thick ass wing today. Thick ass wing. Yeah. Oh, it looks like a little pepper. What the hell? Still doing the wing. I need to clean this up because I overshot my shot. That doesn't make sense. Oh, okay. So we still do the same technique. I'm like talking about old me like it's another person. It is. But I'm taking the concealer and I'm sharpening it up, which is something I still do. And the brush that I ride or die love for this is the Sigma E15 brush. Oh my god, it's perfect for cleaning up your eyeliner and even cleaning up under your brows. This is the brush that I use. Cocoa Lashes and Queen Bee. Oh, why am I holding it up for so long? We get it. House of Lashes glue. Wow, same tweezers 2 years later. I remember these lashes used to be the shit. These were poppin' back in the day. If you weren't wearing Queen Bees from Cocoa Lashes, you weren't doing it right. Oh. Why did I think this was okay? I can't believe it. Nobody told me. Nobody told me. Wow. I had some fake ass friends. Went like this. I literally just like stamped it on. Who taught me to contour? I want to talk. The fluffy brush, blended it out. Uh-oh, is this gonna blend out or not? I was probably sitting there for a good 10 minutes trying to blend that out. Give me a minute, please. This is gonna take a while. So now I'm baking the sides of my nose. Like, that's gonna help with anything. Now I'm taking the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. Oh my god, look at how old this was. That was the old packaging, girl. What's that face? What are you doing? Stop that right now. She's wiping off the bake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's not what we want. Oh, okay, wait. I'm highlighting my nose first. Okay. Oh, it's too much, hun. Oh shit. Okay. So I did it hella thick. Little did I realize that this was just gonna make my nose like 10 times bigger. Okay, moving on to the cheeks. This eyeliner though, we love and support her. After I did my cheeks, I decided to do this. What? I'm just gonna do it because I have to. Okay, so then I went ahead and did my lips. I'm using the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Beeper. Why does it look purple? What's changed? Okay, you guys. I know there's gonna be so many of you screenshotting this nose contour. I don't blame you. So if I get any more comments telling me you need to contour, you're just doing it wrong, listen. I tried. I've tried. Trust me, I've tried. It's not for me. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, turn on your post notifications. But yeah, I love you guys and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.